Hello everyone. In this video, we will see a new exercise in QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to change the window title. So whatever will be the window title given to the chart, so how you can change it. So let us see. So these are the steps. For this purpose, we have to create one chart. I'll click on browse. I'll click on this file named as coffee chain sales. Click on open. Then click on next step. So I'll go with the first option I have to display it. So it will look like whatever will be in the database. So I'll save this as click say 13. Any name we can give it. So the file has been saved. Click on next step. So I'll basically select the chart type as bar chart. Click on next. We have to select the dimension. So I'll select the dimension as product. So basically in the dimension there will be text string alphabets will be there, or a combination of alphabets and alphanumeric data. And in the expressions there will be numbers. So by default coffee sales, so it will be consisting of a number. I select this calculated sum of coffee sales. Click on next. I want to display the table. Yes. So table will be at one side. And click on create. Click on create. So over here, go to this particular chart. So we have the table also. Go to this particular chart, right click and click on the properties. After clicking on the properties, I will change the window title. So you can find out over here in the general tab window title. So give the name as coffee sales data. I click on apply and OK. So you can find out over here that coffee sales data. So it is being displayed over here. So I hope you have understood that how to change the window title. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.